Hello folks, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will share you the tutorial of fridge magnets with Zentangle art. So let's start. These are the fridge magnets of various shapes: apple, cup and saucer and owl. I am showing you the Zentangle art on owl shape. Zentangle is very easy to make and a fun way to create beautiful images with structure pattern. We will paint the wooden base with any acrylic colors. Always use pastel shades or lighter shades to make because we do designing with black marker or pen. I am taking light brown color for the branch. Paint the edges also to give the finished look. I have taken light brown color for the branch. If you don't have the light brown color, you can add white color into the brown color to get the lighter shade. For the rest of the part, I am taking teal blue color mixing with white to give the pastel shade. Paint whole base with same color from front and back side too. Paint the edges too. You can take any color of your choice. After completing the color from both the sides, I have drawn the complete eyes and body structures with the divisions. You can take any markers or pens, color markers, black marker, white and golden marker according to your choice. I have taken thick black marker to give outline on the edges. In this way you have to complete the outline structure. Now with the help of OHP marker, I am giving the details inside. Zentangle art can relax and focus your mind. The patterns we create in Zentangle art called tangles. We can create tangles with the combination of dots, lines, simple curves or any required designs of your choice. It is focused on creating pattern designs and mindfulness. You can create any design with the fine line or gel pen on copies also. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the press the bell icon for the further notification. I have detailed the eyes part with fulfilling the black color and giving the lines. You can create any pattern of your choice. You can give checks, spirals, circles, curves, zigzag, dots, diagonal lines, etc. Now I am giving you the checks pattern. You can create your patterns too to make your project beautiful. This Zentangle art you can do it on your drawing copies and books also. You can make tags also with this beautiful Zentangle art. This is the different way I am showing you on the wooden base. You can create any structure into the Zentangle art. I am drawing diagonal lines to enhance the beauty of the fridge magnet. I am giving U-shaped structure. For the branch part, I am adding leaf to the branch. I am making leaf-like structure, and remaining part I am filling with the marker only. In Zentangle art, some parts are fulfilled and some parts are designed in a way it makes your article very beautiful. I have completed both the sides in the same way. You can create your patterns too. For the weak part, I am filling whole structure. Isn't it beautiful? It is very quick and easy to make. Now my little fridge magnet is ready. I have made this cup saucers magnet too in light pink shade. I have given the zigzag, curves lines, diagonal lines, dots with golden pens also. Now I am adding a fridge magnet on the back side of the magnet. I am using tacky tape to hold my magnet. In this way my magnet is ready. I hope you like the video. Do subscribe my channel for the further crafty sessions. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.